Hi, this is Abhishek.
Hi, this is Poonam.
We are going to perform the extraction procedure by doing the things here. For the extraction procedure, actually we need a succinylate, a condenser, a round bottom flux, and a heating mantle. Before coming to the procedure, we should know what is extraction. Extraction is a simple procedure to extract the active constituent of the plant or animal material by a suitable solvent. So for that, obviously we require a plant herbs or plant material. First we have shadow dried this, and then we will do the grinding by size reducing and the sieving. By that we will get the grinded product. So how to set up the things, in the down there should be the round bottom flux. Above on that the succinylate apparatus should be there, and obviously we have to make sure that it should be airtight by liquid paraffin or something like Vaseline. So now comes to the how we should pack the plant material. So a simple filter paper we will take, we will make it in the three-fold. Like we will keep our plant material like this here only, then we will make a three-fold, and just simply by folding this again we will lock it. This is called the thimble. So you can see here we have already done this. So thimble should be placed from the above of the succinylate apparatus, and it should be inside. And coming to the succinylate, this is called siphon, and this is called the evaporating tube. Like that we have to set it from the clamp and stand in these two sides. And now we have to keep this condenser above of the succinylate apparatus. And coming to the condenser, in the down it should be like that inlet, and in the above it should be the outlet. And we have to make sure that water connection should be nearby of this procedure. Now here we are using, like the suitable solvent, here we are using methanol. So we have to now pour the methanol from above of this condenser tube. So as we are following some standard procedure, it required 3 cycles, means 3 times it have to cross this siphon tube. After the setup, you can see the system will look like this. We have placed the solvent. Now the thing is, we have to set the temperature in the boiling point of the solvent what we have taken. Here we can, if we are taking methanol, like example for methanol, boiling point is 64.7. For ethanol it's 80 degree around. So according to that, the temperature we have to set, and you can see after the vaporizing, the vapor will come from this tube and it will get condensed, and it is coming inside the succinylate apparatus. And when it will cross this siphon tube, it will goes down, and the same system goes on for the required time. Here we are, as per our standard procedure, we are following 48 hours of a cycle. It can be 24 or 72 as per the standard procedure. Cycle got over, we will perform this simple distillation procedure to collect our extract, active constituent, and also the solvent. For the distillation procedure, we required a heating mantle, a round bottom flux, a L bend, a condenser, and a collector. So we have set up the temperature at its boiling point at 64.7. So after that, the procedure, the vapor will be condensed, and we can collect the solvent methanol here, and the active constituent will be here only. We have to scrap it out. Distillation got over, we can recover our solvent, and we will get the extract product that we can use for our further studies.